Go.
Oh! Oh, fucking shit hit me.
You gonna shoot at again right there?
Look at this motherfucker.
God damn.
Let me shoot it from that close.
Shit.
Let me shoot it from that close. Now, Martin, if there's nothing left,
There's gonna be nothing left.
then we'll grab the little one. There's still the other little one, too. Where were you
Shoot it
standing?
from right here, Sean. Take that motherfucker out.
Start, you ready?
Yep.
Hit it.
Oh, damn.
Let Martin shoot it.
Fucking raining pumpkin.
You recording it?
Still recording.
Is it ready to go, or are you recording?
It's ready to go. Just like my cigarette. Alright, Martin.
Damn.
I can't hardly, I can only see myself. I'd like it.
Let me take out that fucking TV.
Oh, it's freaking bright out here.
I was all like this when I seen it.
Martin, did you? No,
So you done recording?
let's get this TV and then that's it.
Alright, Justin, there's still one in there. I want to see the TV. I didn't get it for nothing. But you still got both them little pumpkins, bud. You fucking blow them motherfuckers up.
Yeah, this one's good.
So was that one.
Yeah.
Stand back.
Oh, man.
You find more bullets?
Woo!
You want to watch some TV?
Shit.
Dang, look at that.
Let me shoot it once. I ain't gonna fucking be all cool like yours, but. Sorry, cop.
Watch that, Tyler.
Oh.
Tyler, watch this TV.
Wait.
Hang on, Sean. Wait for Tyler to watch. Tyler, look.
God.
That's it.